What is going on YouTube? Hannah back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Now, specifically in today's episode, we need to continue talking about the new technical indicators or the continuous technical indicators that we've been watching for quite a long time here on the channel. As you guys know, XRP, for the most part, is forming its fifth bull flag formation here, which we've been tracking for quite some time. We've had to tweak the channel for a little bit here and there, because as you guys know, things change in the markets, and XRP is by no means an outlier to that rule. So we've had to move the charts on XRP a little bit here, but we've pretty much known and we've pretty much confirmed that we've been in a descending fractal, which is forming a bull flag for quite some time on XRP. And it goes beyond that. You can see Ethereum here is also forming a descending fractal. XRP is in a descending fractal. Bitcoin is in an uptrend, in an ascending fractal, or ascending triangle. The S&P is breaking outside of its major resistance up here, which is still pretty incredible if you ask me. Very similar to what we're dealing with right on this area. This is kind of how this is looking right now, starting to hit some resistance, some top, the ceiling, the price ceiling right up here is pretty much what we're hitting. So because we're becoming overbought, good chance next week we're going to have to kind of decline a little bit, and that will then help us go a bit higher. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see some sort of correction a little bit lower, followed by a reversal back to the upside. But across the board, a lot of these cryptocurrencies look good. We need a healthy pullback in order to head higher, and that's what we're starting to see over the past couple of days here. So I'm definitely very excited to see where this takes us. I am very bullish in the long term on XRP, even the semi-short term, the moderate term on crypto and XRP, and then the short term, we're talking maybe the next week. I would think we're still a little bit bearish here, but we are in a very good outcome here. There's a lot of good happening right now to these markets, which I'll explain in a minute. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, as you can see here, I just want to pull up really quickly. You can see here yesterday's video talking about the fact that we're still bullish. This is what we're going to kind of touch upon in today's episode. Basically, this descending fractal is pretty much the means to another breakout, the fifth breakout coming for XRP and a lot of these cryptocurrencies. Also, an update, I do have some gift cards, some Amazon gift cards coming in, which will be given away very soon, probably starting Monday. I got to start like a campaign on Gleam, which is where you can register to enter the competition. Makes it a bit easier to track, but I'll do all that next week. Very excited. So if you guys want, make sure to stick around for Monday's video to win potentially an Amazon gift card. It'll be real fun. We're going to be doing them every couple of days or every week for the next couple coming weeks. Probably for maybe till Christmas or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. It'll be fun. Just to give back to the community and everything that's going on for the holidays here. But yeah, so moving forward and diving into these cryptos, you can see in regards to the current coin market cap, quick refresh reveals markets are down 72 on the fear and greed. Not too bad. We were like 74 yesterday, down 0.28%, 1.38 you can see here. And for the most part, we are consolidating or sliding lower a little bit for most of the major cryptocurrencies. And that's cool. I'm actually excited that we're starting to see correction here. And I'm actually excited that we're starting to slide lower because theoretically, this is going to open doors for another breakout to come. Obviously, what goes up must come down. We can't keep just exploding to the upside here. We've had very good runs over the past couple of weeks here, and it's about time we see a bit of consolidation here. So price range, we've shot up 52% on XRP from literally October to November here. So it was in a from 13th to the 6th, 3 weeks, we were up 50%. It was a massive buying opportunity. We made tons of profit on XRP here. So the fact that we're starting to slide lower is by no means a surprise. We've actually had opportunities to short XRP because we've called that a correction is necessary and almost destined to happen because we are overbought. Trading at literally 86 on the relative strength indicator is not healthy. We need to pull back. That was a huge sign of correction here, which is what we're starting to see today. And as you guys know, I've drawn this in yesterday's video. We've even numbered here the bull flag formations that we've had. A beautiful uptrend, descending fractal breakout, uptrend, descending fractal breakout, uptrend, descending fractal breakout, uptrend, descending fractal breakout. So consistently, day after day after day after day. So the fact is, we're most likely going to be seeing that same exact thing happen with this pattern here. We've had it happen 4 times in the past, confirmed. Now we're looking for the 5th one. It's not confirmed just yet, but if I was a betting man, I'd be very much so betting in favor of this, that we are filling in the gap here. It is a clear-cut bull flag formation. Short term, what we're looking for is now going to fill in this gap in between these fractals here in green, either going to drop or break out. That's pretty much what I'm eyeing and expecting to see happen within XRP. I'd be very, very, very surprised if we see anything else happen. More so, I would suspect to see a break to the upside here. And that's truly what I'm waiting for, because I anticipate that's, what's going to come. And you can see the size of it should be pretty freaking large. I mean, just off the bat here, if we take the previous run that we had and we just move this to the breakout, which would be here, we could very easily be retesting up to 80 cents on XRP, which would not be surprising at all. Now, obviously, we do all these trades on BidFi, which is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi is how we've been able to buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits on XRP. One of the very few exchanges that offer XRP, and we'll also be doing some Amazon gift card giveaways with BidFi and some keychains, some merchandise, which will be really fun. They're just coming, in the mail, so it's going to take a bit. But when they get here, we'll start to give those away, which will be really fun. But for the time being, make sure to sign up for BidFi, link in the description, because not only is it completely free, they're actually giving away $2,888 in completing the tasks here, like literally signing up, joining the community rewards, literally the first crypto deposit, feedback, leverage token rewards. I mean, you can earn a ton of cryptocurrency for free by doing practically nothing. So make sure to take advantage of this link down in the description below ASAP. And then moving forward from XRP and these other cryptocurrencies, so we know pretty much we've confirmed the 5th bull flag formation on XRP. Looking at these other cryptocurrencies, we have a descending fractal here, filling in the gap beautifully on Ethereum here. This is the 4-hour bull flag formation, or 4-hour descending fractal. This is typically a bullish bias too. However, we're probably going to need to wait to fill this in and then see where exactly we're going to be moving to. Same thing goes with these other cryptos here, but with Ethereum specifically, you can see how we're kind of caught up with the moving average. But if I jump to the daily, things start to change. You can see here, we're pretty much not even at 50 on the RSI, so there's plenty of room to correct. I mean, the correction is necessary. We were hitting overbought in the green band right here. That was top resistance here. So the fact that we're sliding nowhere is by no means a surprise. We've been overbought for quite some time now, and correction is necessary for the market in order to head higher. Again, short-term correction is what's at stake here. Very short term. It's needed. It's necessary. Do not be worried at all about the slide lower, because this is going to open up another opportunity to head even higher than where we already were. Now, if things change a little bit for Bitcoin, we've had to adjust the charts to encompass this movement here, more so an ascending fractal or ascending triangle. This typically is bearish, and there's a chance we could see correction, but the market may surprise us, so we may head higher. But ideally, it doesn't matter where I think we're going to be moving to, because simply put, we close above this resistance here. Price closes at 38.5. Well, we know we can buy in long because we're going to see a head up. We close below the yellow band here. We buy in for a short, and we know to short it to the downside. It's literally either or. It's that simple. As for the S&P 500, which has done remarkable things heading to the upside here, I'm patiently waiting to see where this wants to take us. More so, I would suspect to see, we followed things through very well. I likely think we're going to start to consolidate here for a little bit and then head higher. It might not be of that size. It'll probably be a bit sooner than that, and then we'll head up even higher, because we need to kind of cool off now. Taper down, cool off, followed by that breakout to the upside is truly what I would suspect to see happen to the S&P 500. But so far, so good. Like I said, we're still creating these higher lows here. You can see consistently higher low has been continued. So each time we head downwards, it's higher than the last. We could fall again, and you can see it ideally brings us higher and higher and higher. And there's not much more room before we retest all-time highs, which is pretty incredible too. Literally, there's just a 6.7% difference here, which is pretty crazy. Only 6.7% away from retesting the all-time highs that we've been trying to get to for quite some time. This is 2021. So it's been almost 2 years, of consolidation. But again, which is crazy, because we've been doing these videos every single day since then. So the fact that we're now getting so much closer to retesting it, it's just mind-blowing. It's very shocking, but we'll get there soon enough. But, with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.